Today, I want to talk to you about climate change and global warming, a huge problem that could kill all of us. Thankfully, science and technology come to the rescue with some potential solution. The biggest cause is fossil fuels because of greenhouse gases and pollution and the fact that they don't last forever. Let's not talk about what happens when we run out. A lot of research has been done on clean and renewable energies, one of which is hydrogen, which has great potential to replace petrol in cars because its only waste product is steam. However, the current production of hydrogen relies heavily on fossil fuels, so not that green. The alternatives include turquoise hydrogen, which is pyrolysis of methane but has high temperature requirements, and green hydrogen, which is really expensive. Ethanol fuel is another alternative to petrol with fewer greenhouse gases and clean production. It is a good alternative for stinky kerosene in poor households. The problem is the usage of arable land for ethanol instead of food production, which can cause food shortages. The aim is to make ethanol production more efficient and green. Solar energy is the poster child for renewables with nearly zero emissions. Research is focused on making panels more efficient with multi-junction solar cells and smart modules. The problems are the constant need for cleaning and the fact that it relies on being sunny to work. Another green source, wind energy, has the potential to eliminate huge amounts of CO2 emissions. However, just like solar, the dependence on unreliable weather conditions is a major problem. For solar and wind to work, advancements in energy storage is crucial to eliminate this unreliability. Thermal energy can store by various methods such as molten salt and bedrock. Finally, nuclear energy, while not renewable, doesn't have any emissions. So many people are scared of nuclear energy because of toxic waste and accidents like Chernobyl and Fukushima. But these are completely unfounded. Nuclear produces very little waste compared to the amount of energy you get. And people are scared of Chernobyl and Fukushima, but did you know that coal and petroleum kill so many more people than nuclear energy because of air pollution? Also, don't do nuclear in places where earthquakes happen. Thorium-based power is a good alternative to uranium-based as it is much more abundant and has much less waste, but is very untapped as it requires significant and expensive testing. I want to leave you with a closing question. Climate change and global warming has the potential to end our species completely, but will humanity persevere using science and technology, or are we all just gonna die? Thank you.
People are willing to, turn off their AC at night. Like how many people are willing to, actually reduce their consumption of energy? Again, for that it's much harder because you have to convince people to give up their comforts.